The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla. Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. Yes, me there here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, I want to let you know about something that happened within the country of Jamaica, where it is said that a barber slashed a person's neck with a razor blade. You see? Yeah, I read a news article about the incident, and the headline of the news article had me thinking, you see me? Yeah, I was wondering what happened, you see me? I was wondering if the person went to a barber shop and the barber do something like that, you see me? All different things me start to assume and start to think about, you see me? So me say, you know what? I'm going to read this news article and see if I can get a better understanding as to what happened, you see me? And you know what? I'm going to explain to you, my viewers and subscribers, how I understand some of the things that I read in that news article, you see? Now, according to the news article that I read, it is said that the person who got injured went to a barber shop that is located somewhere within the parish of Westmoreland, that is within the country that is known as Jamaica, on the 4th of April, year 2021. And it is said that the person who got injured went to that barbershop to talk to a relative. You see me? But, you know, the news article didn't quite name whose relative really. You see me? I say, but anyways, you know, it is said that an argument developed between the person who got injured and the barber of the barber shop, and it is said that the argument escalated to a point where the barber slashed the person's neck with a razor blade. Yes, so I said to your viewers and subscribers, and it is said that an alarm was raised and the person had been taken to a hospital, and it is said that the person had been treated. You see me? Yeah, it is said that the person had been injured and the person had been treated. So that means the person is alive. Yes, so I said to you, however, viewers and subscribers, you see me? It is said that the barber had been taken into police custody, and it is said that the barber had been charged with wounding with intent by the police within the country of Jamaica. You see it? I'm not sure if there's any other charges. You see me? I'm just telling you how I understand some things that I read in a news article. Now, and I really do enough viewers and subscribers, even though this thing is no joking thing, you see, may I tell you the real thing. When I see the headline of the news article, I start saying to myself, but wait, me have got on Rasta, me can't make nobody go over my head and them things, you see me? Yeah, because this is a serious thing, but at the same time, when I see the news article headline, that me that think about, I mean, I tell you the honest truth, you see me? You see it? And you know, why is it that you have some people who turn to violence whenever they have a disagreement with someone? Why? Why is it that some people can't just sit down and talk them differences with each other? You see me, I said to you? And you notice me say some people, you know, because and everybody believe in violence, you know. See it? And everybody believe in violence. I just some people. You understand? Anyways, here says where I'm going to leave it, viewers and subscribers. Big up and respect to each and everyone. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm in name Dancehall skilla. I know. Want to big up on yourself. You see it?